Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a small boy, Ali. Summer holidays had just started, and Ali was excited. No school, no homework. Yay! He shouted, throwing his bag in the air, while games all day, watched cartoons, and ate too many snacks. One day, his head hurt and his eyes felt tired. His mom smiled and said, Ali, holidays are a gift, but wasting time is like wasting treasure. She gave him a summer fun plan. It had reading time, drawing, helping mom, learning something new, and even playtime. Ali followed the plan. He helped his mom water plants, learned to make lemonade, read a storybook, and even painted a rainbow. Every day felt fun and full. One evening, Ali said, I don't know, holidays could be so cool when we do something good. His mom hugged him and said, Yes, my dear, time is a gift, spend it wisely. Moral, don't waste your holidays, play, learn, help, and grow every day.